Hello YouTube, my name is Brian. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on a VM, which in this case we are using the Oracle VM VirtualBox. So I'm going to show you how to download the VirtualBox. I will drop this link in the description. Just click on the Windows installer, and then the second thing, you need the Windows 10. Okay, you have to download the media creation tool. That tool will download you the Windows 10 ISO. Just click on that, just download. You have the ISO. Okay, next we're going to install the VirtualBox. Just double click on the installation. Click next, next. Okay, just yes. Install. Click yes. Wait till this process is done. Wait. Okay, it's done. Click finish. It will automatically open the VirtualBox. Just click new. We're going to name it Windows 10. Okay, the version is correct. Okay, for the RAM, it depends on how much RAM do you have in your PC or your laptop. It will vary. Since I have a 8 gigs of RAM, I'm going to select the 4096. It means 4 gigs. Next, and then create a virtual hard disk now. Create next. Okay, this we're going to use the fixed size. I like the fixed size because the size is fixed. So if you choose to dynamically allocate it, if your hard drive is filled up, your virtual machine hard drive, your virtual machine drive didn't have any space again. So just use the fixed size. Next, just leave it 50 gigs. Just create. I'm going to skip this until this process is done. Okay, the process is now done. What are you going to do next is go to the settings tab, and then here you can see, just click on system and uncheck floppy. If you don't have it, just uncheck it. Okay, so go to the processor. I have a 4-core processor, so I'm going to choose 2 CPU. Okay, leave that to the default setup. Go to display, check enable 3D acceleration if you have one. Crank up the video memory into 256 megabytes. Display recording, we're not gonna need that. Storage, click on the CD thing, and then click to choose a disk file. Then go to desktop, Windows.iso, open. Okay. Then go to the. Okay. Leave these settings as it is. Click OK. Then you're going to start the machine. This might take a while. Just be patient. Select start of this. Start. Okay. So here is the Windows installation menu. Okay, just click next. Click install now. starting. Let's wait. Okay, just click I don't have a product key. Click the Windows 10 Home. Click the accept the license terms. Click custom. Click next. This is the installation menu. Just wait until the installation is done. Windows is restarting. Just wait until the process is done. Don't press any key. Okay, Windows is loading. Just a few minutes. Okay, we're on the save screen, I guess. Just a moment. Okay.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, let's dig in.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
United States.
Your keyboard is set to
US.
Do you also type with another keyboard layer?
Skip. This is some
Now
basic.
we have some important setup to do.
Okay, now we have to enter our Microsoft account. Okay, just enter a email address. Okay, just get a new one.
Let's get an account going for you. You can use your own email address, or we can help you create a new one.
And enter the password that you wanted to. And check this. Region, birthday. I live in Asia. 8 June of 2003. I'll choose 2003. Next.
Want to set up a pin?
Okay. Okay, just. Okay, just disable Cortana. Just create pin, use basic one just for this tutorial. Okay, just click no. Listen, do it later. Click decline. If you want to, you just can set. Okay, for the settings, I'm going to turn off everything because I don't need to. It's a virtual machine, not a Windows PC. Almost done. Okay, we're on the Windows. Click X. Okay, now we're on the Windows. Okay, so this is how you install a Windows 10 on a VM. And this is fully working. You can go to Edge and browse everything on youtube.com. Second, there, youtube.com. So I will close this. So thank you guys for tuning in with me. I'm Brian, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.